Unit 64 To, for, and so that. A. Strategic examples. I phoned the restaurant to reserve a table. What do you need to make bread? We shouted to warn everybody of the danger. This letter is to confirm the decisions we made at our meeting last week. The president has a team of bodyguards to protect him. In these examples, to reserve, to make, tells us the purpose of something, why somebody does something, has something, needs something, or why something exists. B. We say a place to park, something to eat, work to do. It is difficult to find a place to park in the center, a place where you can park. Would you like something to eat? Something that you can eat? Do you have much work to do? Work that you must do? I get lonely if there's nobody to talk to. I need something to open this bottle with. Also, money, time, chance, opportunity, energy, courage to do something. They gave us money to buy food. Do you have much opportunity to practice your English? I need a few days to think about your proposal. C. Compare for and to. For, noun. We stopped for petrol. I had to run for the bus. To, verb. We stopped to get petrol. I had to run to catch the bus. You can say for somebody to do something. There weren't any chairs for us to sit on, so we sat on the floor. You can use for ing or to talk about the general purpose of something or what it is generally used for. I use this brush for washing the dishes or to wash the dishes. But we do not use for ing to say why somebody does something. I went into the kitchen to wash the dishes, not for washing. You can use what for to ask about purpose. What is this switch for? What did you do that for? B. So that. We use so that, not to, especially. When the purpose is negative, so that, want, wouldn't. I hurried so that I wouldn't be late, because I didn't want to be late. Eat something now so that you won't or don't get hungry later. We can and could so that can could. She's learning English so that she can study in Canada. We moved to London so that we could see our friends more often. You can leave out that so you can say, I heard so that I wouldn't be late. I heard so wouldn't be late. Unit 64. Exercises 64.1. Choose from post A and post B to make a new sentence with two. I shouted. I opened the box. I'm saving money. I made a knife. I am wearing 2 sweaters. I phoned the police. I want to keep warm. I want to go to Canada. I wanted to report the accident. I wanted to warn people of the danger. I want to chop these onions. I want to see what was it. I shouted to warn people of the danger. I opened the box. 64.2. Complete these sentences using a suitable verb. The president has a team of bodyguards to protect him. I didn't have enough time to newspaper today. I came home by taxi. I didn't have energy. Would you like something? Yes, please. A cup of coffee. We need a bag. These things in there will be a meeting next week. The problem. Do you need a visa to the United States? I saw Helen at the party, but we didn't have a chance to each other. I need some new clothes. I don't have anything nice. We have just bought this. They have just bought their gang. They are having a party. I can't do all this work alone. I need somebody with me. 64.3. Put in 2 or 4. We stopped for a petrol. We need a lot of experience in this job. You need a lot of experience to this job. We need some more time. Make it clean. I went to dentist to check up. I had to put on my glasses. Read the paper. Do you have to wear glasses? Reading. I wish we had a garden. The children playing. 64.4. Make one sentence from 2 using so that. I heard I didn't want to be late. I heard so that I wouldn't be late. I wore warm clothes. I didn't want to be cold. I wore warm clothes. I gave Dan my phone number. I wanted him to be able to contact me. I gave Dan my phone number. We whispered. We didn't want anybody else to hear our conversation. We whispered to nobody. Please arrive early. We want to be able to start the meeting on time. Please arrive early. We made a list of things to do. We didn't want to forget anything. We made a list of things to do. I slowed down. I wanted a car behind me to be able to overtake. I slowed down.